I'm Ray, one of Bosch's product experts, and this is the Bosch Series 8 IDOS washer dryer, a true game changer for your laundry routine. Whether you're washing or drying, this machine is packed with smart features that save you time and make your life easier. Looking at the machine from the outside, it has a stylish look, simple to use display, and if we open the door, you'll see with its 10.5 kilogram wash and 6 kilogram dry capacity, it's the perfect partner for busy households. And also, with Bosch's 5-year warranty, you're covered for complete peace of mind. Let's start with IDOS, Bosch's intelligent dosing system. Just fill the compartment once, the system will measure the size and type of load and automatically dispense the perfect amount of detergent required. Short on time? With Speed Perfect, you can reduce cycle times by up to 65% without compromising on results. Your clothes get the same care and cleanliness in a fraction of the time. It's perfect for those days when every minute counts. When it comes to drying, Bosch's Auto Dry technology is a lifesaver. Using advanced sensors, the machine constantly monitors the temperature and moisture to protect your clothes from overheating or overdrying. Perfectly dry clothes every time and no shrinkage. On the top of the machine is where you'll take control. This machine has a super clear display and all features are easily accessible at the push of a button. And speaking of efficiency, with Active Water Plus, the Series 8 uses exactly the right amount of water for each load, whether it's large or small. That's better for your wallet and helps to save water, using just what's needed. Another way to maximize your usage is taking advantage of the Home Connect app. If you scan your detergent, it will set the machine up to use the correct dosage for that detergent, so you get the best results from your wash. With the Bosch Series 8 washer dryer, you're not just doing laundry. You're taking back control of your time while giving your clothes the best care possible.